Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Meta Business Suite for beginners. You can get started with this Meta Business Suite. Now, we all know that Meta allows us to customize and optimize our businesses, but the Meta Business Suite can seem to be really difficult to navigate. It can be hard to understand as well, as a very large task to just set up your ad campaign. So instead of just going through this treacherous process on your own, I'm going to guide you guys step by step. For that, the first thing you're going to do is open up your Facebook business page. I have this newly created page, and whenever you create a business page, by default you have a business suite created to access this. Just open up and log in as your page, and on the bottom left you have your business suite. Now with the business suite, it allows you to connect to your Instagram as well as manage your ad campaigns, set up content planners, start ad campaigns, and gain more insight into your Facebook page or Instagram profile. Now on your home section, you're going to see a basic summary of everything that's going on. Then after that, on the left, you have notifications. Then you have your inbox for your business page. Your inbox is always going to link to your Instagram page if you have linked that over here as well. Now after that, you have your content section. In your content section, you can set up your Facebook content stream as well as your Instagram content stream. This includes things like your post and reels, stories about testing, feed and grid mentions and tags, clips. Then you also have your Facebook photos, playlist series. And from here, you can actually, search for any of your published content, any of your expired stories, any of your currently expiring stories, scheduled content, and any of your content drafts as well. About testing is A/B testing is where you set up one set of content in two different formats or two different ways. You just change one variable between the two sets, and this allows you to see what performs better and what you should be pushing to your wider audience. Below that, you have your content scheduler or planner. The content planner provided by Facebook does a great job because you can directly plan out your content. On the Meta Business Suite, you don't have to worry about setting it up over and over again, and you don't have to log into a third-party platform and have that third-party platform get access to your page. Another thing you will notice is that this is showing me an optimized time for my Instagram audience. It might also show you an optimized time for your Facebook audiences as well. The reason why it does that is because it knows when your audience is online, when it is most active, and you can schedule your posts according to the active times of your audience. Below that, you have a section for ad campaigns. Now, there are four primary types of ad campaigns that you can create. If you are creating any type of ad campaigns, you will see that there are four basic types of campaigns. One is to get more leads, one is to get more clicks, one is to get your name out there, so it's basically to expand your brand name, and one is to get more people to shop. So different ad campaigns are going to have different functions within Facebook. Below that, you have an insight panel. This is one of the most important yet most underrated panels on the Meta Business Suite. It has a basic overview. Then you have a weekly plan where you can create ads, create one story, create one post, and ensure that you are active on some level with every audience that you have. Below that, you have your search results, so your overall Facebook reach. Then you also have your audience, so how many followers you have, returning viewers, engaged followers, messaging contacts. Then you have your messaging insights, so how many messages you are getting and how many conversations you are having. Then you have your benchmarking. So benchmarking allows you to compare your business performance against your own personal, your personal goals that you have. So your Facebook followers, total follows, content, interactions, and you guys will see, because this is a brand new page, and you also have a business to watch section where you can actually watch other businesses and compare your business with similar businesses. Then you have a content overview where you have your reach, your 3-second views, 1-minute views, interactions, and minutes viewed. Then you have all your content analysis, and then your video earnings. You will see this. You will see the stars as well as your approximate earnings. For every video that you are posted on Facebook below, that you have the all tools section, and there are more tools on Facebook. So you have your engagement tools, analytical tools, management tools, product and service selling tools in your ad manager. Primarily, most people are using Facebook or the Meta Business Suite for the ad manager. If I open up my ad manager over here, you guys can see this, what the ad manager it looks like, and you guys can see this is what an ad campaign is going to look like. The Facebook or the Meta ad manager is different from your ad campaign creator on Meta. Meta is an overarching or an umbrella business manager. But if you want to only specifically look at Facebook ads for your business, then you can open up your business ad manager. Once you view your business ad manager over here, you can create customized campaigns, get detailed reporting, build your audience, set up your advertiser settings, and more. Now let's get started with some of the basic tools of the Meta Business Manager, where we're going to start with content planning. So for that, just go into the planner on the left and you can click on create post. From here, you're going to choose whether you are wanting to post on both your Instagram and your Facebook channels. So I only want to post on Facebook, and I want to write, hey, cleaning is back and we're launching and we're coming with a new style for you. Oh, stay tuned. And after that, we can also include location, messages, WhatsApp, A/B testing, as well as different emojis. Then below that, we can set a particular date and time. So we can choose to publish instantly or schedule this. I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow, and I can set a particular time. Then I can click on schedule over here, and just like that, I have a scheduled post for Facebook. Now, this is especially helpful for people that are looking to generate some low effort content and you don't want to have to manually post that content every day. Instead, you can put this all in your Facebook planner, and this just ensures that you have consistent posting and consistent engagement with your audience on Facebook. With that, Meta Business Suite is going to give you an overarching view of your Facebook business page, and you're going to be able to manage all of your channels more efficiently. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.